guys, I'm back with another video, and I have to make this real quick, because, I always end my videos when I'm not done. I just had an attempt a few seconds ago, and it didn't work so well. By the way, right now it is 9:52, if you can't see that, can you? Let me go closer. It is 9:52, and right now, of course, I'm making a video. But can you please like and comment, and subscribe in the description below. And if you don't, I'm coming for you. But, yeah. So, a few minutes ago, I was watching the Rad Brad. He's a good YouTuber. Go like, subscribe, and comment to his channel. And if you do, tell him that I told you to. Maybe he'll give me some tips about maybe he'll give me some tips about games on my 360. Because right now I do not know how to play games. I don't know how to have the camera facing me so you can see my face, beautiful face, and also how to have it also at the TV so that I can play some games for you. And if you know how to do that, tell me in the description below. So I think I gotta end the video. Also go like, comment, and subscribe to You Always Win. They're a good channel too, and they have 2 other channels. Let me tell you guys their names. I don't know their actual names, but I know their YouTube names, like when they play games and stuff. Not like their own channels. So, one is named Medias, the other name is Guns. And their video, YouTube channels are Meatwagon22 and Brain Freeze. So, like, comment, and subscribe in the description below. And I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. Bye! Bye! Oh, look at that nice light.